In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use loop components in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident using this feature in your daily meetings and collaborations. So let's dive in and explore this together. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, locate the Calendar tab, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this will bring up a view of your schedule. This is where you'll manage your meetings and where we'll be setting up our loop component today. Next, you'll want to select the date you plan to host your meeting on. Simply navigate through the calendar and click on your chosen date. Doing so will allow you to start adding details about your meeting. It's a user-friendly interface, so selecting the date should be straightforward. Once your date is selected, it's time to give your meeting a title. This is an important step as it helps keep your schedule organized and your attendees informed about the meeting's purpose. With your title in place, you need to make a decision regarding the meeting's recurrence pattern. By default, this is set to does not repeat, but you can customize it if your meeting happens regularly. To do this, click on the drop-down menu and choose every weekday if that's the pattern you prefer. This feature is especially useful for ongoing projects or regular team check-ins, ensuring you don't have to set up the same meeting over and over again. After deciding on the recurrence pattern, select the specific day of the week your meeting will take place. Make sure to choose a day that works for all participants to avoid scheduling conflicts. Now, it's time to save your settings. Click on the Save button to lock in all your changes. This action preserves the information you've entered and schedules the meeting accordingly. But don't just click once, double check to see if there's another Save button to confirm everything is set correctly. After saving, you'll want to share the meeting details with your attendees. Microsoft Teams makes this easy with the Copy to Share feature. Clicking this will allow you to copy the meeting link to your clipboard, which you can then paste into an email or chat to share with your team. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a meeting in Microsoft Teams using loop components. This feature not only helps in scheduling, but also enhances productivity by keeping everyone on the same page. Thank you for watching this walkthrough, and stay tuned for more useful tips.